You get a thrill out of driving this thing, knowing all the history behind it?
In a way, I do. Actually, I'm more excited because you're here. So.
Oh, because you see other people's reactions?
Yeah, everybody goes, hey, 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 what is that?
I'd imagine you're asked to be in parades all the time.
Nope, not anymore.
Can you tell me about your grandfather and just the history behind this?
Well, my grandfather was born up in Oregon and migrated to California shortly after the turn of the century, 1900s, and settled in Vallejo and became a carpenter. And after doing carpenter work for a number of years, he actually joined the shipwright organization, Marine Carpenters, at Maryland Naval Yard. And so this car used to carry him from home to work every day, and he had room for four more other people, so he always took a full car and paid for his gas during World War II.
So in a way, this vehicle has military service.
Yes, it has.
And I think one of the things that's really amazing about this vehicle, besides the obvious, is that it's been in your family for so long.
Yep.
That's got to be, that's an honor.
My grandfather bought this car in October of 1926 when the car was approximately a year old. So it was a second-hand car, you know.
Right.
And he drove it up to 1950 when he parked it. And I came along in 1963. I was in the Air Force at Travis Air Force Base, and so I used to go over for dinner, Sunday dinner, and then pretty soon we started playing with the car, and taking my grandfather for a ride, and it was a lot of fun.
It runs great.
Yeah. Well, if this is all you want to do, actually you can get up to about 50 miles an hour.
You said that your grandfather used to drive the family from Northern California up to Oregon in this thing
Yes.
every summer.
My great-grandfather had a farm outside of Cottage Grove, Oregon, and raised wheat and a bunch of other things. But at the end of the summer, my grandfather, including my dad, the whole family would hop in this car and drive up over the Siskiyous and go to Cottage Grove and harvest the crops for a month, and then they'd come home. And that's a long trip in a regular car. So